Spending a few minutes looking around YouTube trying to figure out why XRP is down about 5%. Well, your journey is over. I'm going to tell you everything going on right now with XRP, why it's down. And ironically, it has actually nothing to do really with XRP. Going to get into this in this video. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and please drop a like on the video. By liking the video, you're telling the algorithm that you're liking my content and you're helping spread the word for the XRP army. All right, so let's take a look at what is going on. Crypto itself down 2.6+%. Bitcoin and Ethereum down 2.6, 3.6 respectively. And as I mentioned, XRP basically down 5% on the 24-hour and over 6% on the 7-day. You can see what's going on here. Volume is shooting up. So we are definitely moving in the wrong direction as far as XRP is concerned. And you can see that this move started at about 12:50 a.m. when we moved from, say, about that 49.6 50-cent range all the way down to 47. So we've had this 6% move down. Now, this is the narrative here. This is not happening in a silo, meaning it's not happening just to XRP. Let me show you some charts to show you what I'm talking about. Here's XRP's chart, and I'm really talking about this move right there. I want to show you Bitcoin's chart. Look at this. Does this look familiar to you? I grabbed the wrong thing. There it is, and right there. Bitcoin, XRP, everything is starting to move. Everything is broken below its support levels. You can see Bitcoin support level was basically 25.1. That's where it bounced off about three times. And now it's bounced down into that 24,950 range. XRP kind of similarly, you can see right here was bouncing off of that 49-cent range and has since moved down into that 46 range, 6 cents range. Now, I'm expecting us to be here for a while. Remember, I've talked about this a lot. September, historically horrible month for crypto. You've heard me talk about this the last 10 years. Crypto has had 8 out of the last 10 years. We have ended the month of September in the red. Okay. Now we've got another thing out there on Wednesday. The court right here is going to basically give approval potentially to the FTX liquidation scenario. Okay. And this is what is out there as far as a risk scenario for that. Okay. So to look, Solana, 685 million. So there's 685 million that is held out there that could possibly be dumped if obviously the court gives approval. Obviously 529 million in FTT, 268 million in Bitcoin, 90 million in Ethereum. Look at this over here where my mouse is. Let me see if you can see this. Nope, you can't see it. Let me move the picture of me down. There we go. Okay. So this green bar over here on the right is $1.27 billion. That's with a B of mixed other assets. Now, you can see they have about 39 million of Polygon, 42 million of Doge. But the big risk here is obviously to Solana, and that's out there as well. Now, so these are the macro factors. I think everybody's a little spooked and scared of what is going to happen here as it relates to the FTX liquidation scenario, the court approval or not. But we've also got on Wednesday the CPI data report. That's the consumer price index. So thanks, Miles, for putting this together. This is a nice, easy reference point. Thursday, we got PPI, retail sales data. I'm going to remind you again, September, horrible month for crypto. I'm also going to remind you that on the 20th of September, which is in approximately 9 days, we got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. So is this an XRP specific issue? Nope, it is not. This is an overall macro market move down. Macro market move down. There you go. Say that really fast. That is impacting all of crypto. Remember, this is the same as this, right? Look at the Bitcoin, look at the XRP charts. They are exactly the same. They're following the same trend line, everything. So it's all happening in concert together. This basically similar move down. So that's all I got for you. As always, thanks for your support. See you. Bye.